Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix Brave browser closing automatically. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser and direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, which is the main menu icon. Click on it, and from the options that appear, click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can manage all aspects of your browser. Once you're in the Settings panel, look at the left sidebar. You'll see several options listed there. Click on About Brave. This section shows you the current version of your browser and automatically checks for any available updates. Make sure your Brave browser is up to date, as outdated versions can cause stability issues and unexpected crashes. If an update is available, let it download and install before moving forward. Next, go back to the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains various settings related to your browsing data, cookies, and security preferences. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. This feature allows you to clear cached files and temporary data that might be causing conflicts and forcing your browser to close unexpectedly. In the window that opens, click on All Time. This ensures you're clearing all accumulated data, not just recent activity. After selecting that, click on Delete from this device. You'll need to wait a moment while Brave processes and removes all the stored data. This step is important because corrupted cache files are often the reason browsers start behaving erratically or shutting down without warning. Once that's complete, return to the left panel and click on System. This section controls how Brave interacts with your computer's hardware and resources. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle. Turn this toggle off. Graphics acceleration can sometimes cause compatibility issues with certain system configurations, leading to crashes and automatic closures. Disabling it often resolves these problems. After toggling that off, you'll see a button that says Relaunch. Click on it. This will close Brave and restart it with the new settings applied. Give the browser a moment to fully restart and load your tabs. Alternatively, if the issue persists, you can try running Brave with administrator privileges. Close Brave completely first. Then right-click on the Brave shortcut icon on your desktop or in your Start menu and select Run as Administrator. This gives the browser elevated permissions to access system resources, which can prevent automatic closures caused by permission conflicts. And that's it. You've now addressed the most common causes of Brave browser closing automatically. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.